Come test drive the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, clock, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, body color door handles, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.